Good morning everybody. We were discussing econometric transformations exercise 6 and till yesterday we did a plus b plus c is 180 are angles of a triangle we did. If it is not 180, how to solve? Procedure doesn't change same. Instead of 180 we will write that whatever the angle is given. Those type we will discuss now. If a plus b plus c equal to 180, till fifth sum we did, then sixth sum. If a plus b plus c equal to 90 degrees, instead of 180 he is giving here 90 degrees, pi by 2. Then show that cos 2a, cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c, cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c equal to cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c equal to 1 plus 4 sin a sin b sin c. 1 plus 4 sin a sin b sin c. 1 plus 4 sin a sin b sin c. How can we do? Very simple. Take the LHS, use cos c plus cos b. Procedure doesn't change anything. Very simple. It's not that much important, but the procedure is same. Very simple. Only thing is giving instead of 180, 90. That's it. Remaining part as is. Now this is cos c plus cos b. 2 cos c plus b by 2. No. 2a plus 2b by 2 becomes a plus b. Into cos c minus b by 2 means a minus b. Plus cos 2c. Plus cos 2c. Now this is equal to 2 cos. Instead of a plus b, I can write 90 minus c. 90 minus c. Now this is cos of a plus a minus b as is, plus cos 2c as is, plus cos 2c as is. Now it becomes cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. So 2 sin c into cos of a minus b plus cos 2c. I can write as 1 minus 2 sin square c. Cos 2c I can write as 1 minus 2 sin square c. 1 minus 2 sin square c. 1 in the beginning, and from these two I can take 2 sin c common. 2 sin c common. Left out is cos of a minus b minus sin c. Minus sin c. This sin c I can write as again 90 minus of a plus b. So automatically cos of a plus b. So this very simple. Now this part becomes 1 plus 2 sin c as is, cos of a minus b as is, minus this is sin c. C is nothing but 90 minus of a plus b. Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. That is cos of a plus b. Cos of a plus b. Now cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. 2 sin a sin b. 2 sin a sin b till b. That is 1 plus 2 sin c into 2 sin a sin b. 2 sin a sin b. So the final result is 2 into 4. 1 plus 4 sin a sin b sin c. 1 plus 4 sin a sin b sin c is equal to RHS sin c. Is equal to RHS sin c. Like the same 7 sum also. If a plus b plus c equal to 3 pi by 2 means 270 degrees. 3 pi by 2, 390 is 270 degrees. Then prove that cos square a plus cos square b minus cos square c minus cos square c is equal to, you need to prove that minus 2 cos a cos b sin c. Minus 2 cos a cos b sin c. Minus 2 cos a cos b sin c. Now this is cos square a minus cos square b. I told you formula cos square b minus cos square a is sin A plus B into sin A minus B. Sin A plus B into sin A minus B. I will use that. LHS. So same procedure we did in 180. This is cos square B minus cos square A, sin square A minus sin square B, sin A plus B into sin A minus B. Same formula will be here. And one more different way is we can write convert into 1 plus cos 2A by 2, 1 plus cos 2B by 2, 1 plus cos 2C by 2. Two methods are used for this type of process. Now cos square A as this is cos square B minus cos square A means sin A plus B into sin A minus B, sin C plus B into sin C minus B, sin C plus B into sin C minus B. Now this is equal to cos square A for some time I will write as this, but here sin B plus C, instead of B plus C I can write 3 pi by 2 minus A. So sin of 3 pi by 2 minus A B plus C equal to 3 pi by 2 minus A into sin C minus B into sin C minus B as given. Now this is equal to cos square A as is, but cos 90 minus theta minus sin theta minus sin 90 minus theta minus cos theta. Third quadrant sin and cos both are negative, but when it is odd multiples of pi by 2, sin becomes cos by 2. So this becomes minus cos A minus cos A into sin of C minus B. I will take minus common there in this. Then I will make as plus, becomes sin of B minus C only. Sin of B minus C. Now instead of these two, I can take cos A common. From these two, I can take cos A common. So if I take cos A common, left out here is one more cos A plus here is sin of B minus C. Sin of B minus C. Sin of B minus C. Now instead of A, I can again write 3 pi by 2 minus of B plus C. Means odd multiples of 90, cos becomes sin. Third quadrant cos negative, so becomes minus sin of B plus C, minus sin of B plus C, minus sin of B plus C. So this becomes cos A into this is minus sin of B plus C plus sin of B minus C plus sin of B minus C. Now if I take minus common from these two, if I take minus common from these two from the bracket, so it becomes minus cos A into sin of B plus C, sin of B plus C minus sin of B minus C, sin of B plus C minus sin of B minus C. Now sin A plus B minus sin A minus B, 2 cos A sin B, 2 cos A sin B, so minus cos A into 2 cos B sin C, 2 cos B sin C. So the final result is minus 2 cos A cos B sin C minus 2 cos A cos B sin C. That one we need to prove is equal to RHS, hence proved, is equal to RHS, hence proved, hence proved. If A plus B plus C plus D equal to 2 pi, then prove that sin A minus sin B, sin A minus sin B plus sin C minus sin D, sin C minus sin D, sin A minus sin B plus sin C minus sin D equal to, we need to prove that minus 4 cos of A plus B by 2, minus 4 cos of A plus B by 2 into cos of sin of A plus C by 2, sin of A plus C by 2 into cos of A plus D by 2 into cos of A plus D by 2, cos of A How to prove? How to prove? Simple. Take the LHS as usual. Take the LHS as usually. Now this is sin C minus sin D. Sin C minus sin D. What is the formula? 2 sin C plus D by 2. That is sin C minus sin D. 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. Sin C minus D by 2. That is A minus D by 2. Plus, again coming to this, sin C minus sin D. What do you get? 2 sin, say 2 cos C plus D by 2. C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. Sin C minus D by 2. Directly formula sin C minus sin D. 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. Now, instead of C plus D, what can I write? 2 pi minus of A plus B. A plus B plus C is 2 pi is giving. So, instead of C plus D, can I write 2 pi minus of A plus B? So, I will write that. This is equal to 2 cos of A plus B by 2 as is into sin of A minus B by 2 as is plus 2 cos, here 2 cos of, instead of C plus C, I am writing 2 pi minus of A plus B by 2. A plus B by 2. 2 pi minus of A plus B by 2 into sin of C minus B as it is again. C minus B by 2 as it is again. Now, coming to here, this is cos 2 pi means by 2 is there. If I cancel for 2 times, cos 180 minus theta minus cos theta. Cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. So the final result is 2 cos A plus B by 2 into sin of A minus B by 2. This is minus 2 cos of A plus B by 2. Minus 2 cos of A plus B by 2 into sin of C minus D by 2. Into sin of C minus D by 2. Now if you observe from these two, I can take 2 cos of A plus B by 2 common. 2 cos of A plus B by 2 common. So if I take 2 cos of A plus B by 2 common, what is the left out thing? What is the left out thing? Here sin of, here the left out thing is sin of A minus B by 2. Sin of A minus B by 2 minus 2 cos of A plus B by 2 I took common. Here the left out thing is sin of C minus B by 2. Sin of C minus B by 2. Sin of C minus B by 2. Now I can go for sin C minus sin D. Sin C minus sin D. So this becomes 2 cos of A plus B by 2 as is. There is no change in this part. Now coming to this. This is sin C minus sin D. What is the formula? 2 cos C plus D by 2. 2 cos C plus D by 2. What is C plus D by 2? A minus D by 2 plus C minus D by 2 by 2. By 2 by 2 becomes by 4. Next, into sin of C minus D by 2. Sin C minus sin D. 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin of C minus D by 2. So C minus D means A minus B. Minus of this means minus C. Minus of minus plus D. By 2 becomes by 4. By 2 becomes by 4. Now, coming to here what happens? This is A plus C as is, but if I take minus common from these two, that becomes again A, B plus D. B plus D means 2 pi minus of A plus C I can write. So, this becomes 2 cos of A plus B by 2 into 2 cos of in A plus C as is. Instead of these two, if I take minus common, becomes B plus D. Becomes B plus D. Instead of B plus D, can I write 2 pi minus of a plus b r naught. 2 pi minus of a plus b r naught whole by 4. This also same sin of a minus c or a plus d as it is, a plus d as it is, and minus of b plus d means b plus c. If I take minus common, this is b plus c. B plus c. Instead of b plus c, can I write as 2 pi minus of a plus c? 2 pi minus of a plus c by 2 by 2 by 4 a plus d. Now this becomes 2 cos a plus b by 2 or 2 into 4 cos a plus b by 2 as it is. It doesn't change. Now coming to this part, cos of a plus c minus of minus, this minus into minus plus a plus b, this a plus c is also a plus c, minus of minus plus a plus c becomes 2 into a plus c, this is 2 pi. If I take minus common and minus 2 common, becomes pi minus of a plus c, pi minus of a plus c by 2 by 2 by 2. This is 2 pi, I am taking 2 common. This is 2 into a plus c, I am taking 2 common. So by 4 and by 2 becomes by 2. Now this is sin of same. Again the same thing. Sin of this is plus a plus d, a plus d. I can take minus common, so that minus I will take here first. Then sin of pi minus a plus d, pi minus a plus d by 2 and now over summation. Cos 90 minus theta sin theta, sin 90 minus theta cos theta. So minus I will write at the beginning, minus 4 into cos of a plus b by 2 into cos 90 minus theta sin theta, sin of a plus b by 2 into sin 90 minus theta cos theta, cos of a plus b by 2. Hence is equal to RHS, is equal to RHS, hence proof. This is how we will prove if it is given 4 angles a plus b plus c plus d equal to some 2 pi or something. Now next sum. Coming to the next sum. If a plus b plus c equal to 2s, instead of 90, 180, 270, is giving some constant 2s. Now then prove that s is sin of s minus a plus sin of s minus b plus sin of c equal to, you need to prove 4 cos of s minus a by 2 cos s minus b by 2 and sin c by 2. Simple sum. Same procedure does not change even if it is giving 360 or 180 or 90 or 270 or like 2s also. Procedure does not change. Same, always take sin c plus sin d form or sin c minus sin d form depending on the situation. Now here sin c plus sin d. So LHS I am taking as usually sin c plus sin d. Formula is 2 sin c plus d by 2. 2 sin c plus d by 2 means s minus a plus s minus b by 2. Sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Cos c minus d by 2. S minus a minus s plus b by 2. Sin c plus d by 2 into sin c cos c minus d by 2 plus sin c as it is. Here I am writing sin c plus sin d. 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2 plus sin c as it is. Now this is s plus s 2s. So 2 into sin of 2s. If I take minus common from these two, this is a plus b by 2 into cos of, here ss cancel, minus even if I take doesn't change in the cos, so it is cos of a minus b I can write, plus sin c. So sin c I will write as it for this step, or 2 sin c by 2 into cos c by 2 I will write, 2 sin c by 2 into cos c by 2, sin theta formula. Now coming to here, this is a plus b plus c is 2s, means c is equal to 2s minus of a plus b plus c only. So 2s minus of a plus b plus c means I can simply write c. I can simply write c. C equal to 2s minus of a plus b plus c. So this becomes 2 sin c by 2 into cos a minus b by 2 as it is, cos a minus b by 2 as it is, plus 2 sin c by 2 into cos c by 2 as it is, 2 sin c by 2 into cos c by 2 as it is. Now from these two I can take 2 sin c by 2 common. From these two I can take 2 sin c by 2 common. So if I take 2 sin c by 2 common, what happens? This becomes cos of a minus b by 2, cos of a minus b by 2 plus cos c by 2 plus cos c by 2, cos c by 2. Now this again cos c plus cos d I can go for cos c plus cos d. So becomes 2 sin c by 2 into cos c plus cos d formula below 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. 2 cos c plus d by 2 means a minus b by 2 plus c by 2 by 2 by 2 by 2 becomes by 4 into cos c minus d by 2 means a minus b by 2 minus c by 2 by 2. So becomes by 4. C minus d. So a minus b minus c by 2 by 2 by 4. Now this is instead of a plus c, instead of this a plus c, I can write 2s minus. This is a plus c means 2s minus b. 2s minus b. And instead of b plus c, if I take minus common, this is b plus c. B plus c I can write 2s minus a. So only one more step or two steps will be over. So this you can observe easily. So this becomes 2 sin c by 2 into 2 sin c by 2 into this is 2 cos. Instead of a plus c, I can write 2s minus b as it is by 4 into cos. Instead of a minus of b plus c. B plus c is nothing but 2s minus a. 2s minus a by 2 by 2 by 4. Now this is equal to 2 sin c by 2 into or 2 into 2 4 I will write 4 sin c by 2 into cos. This is 2s minus 2b by 4. If I take 2 common and cancel, becomes s minus b by 2. And this also, if I take 2 common and cancel, becomes s minus a by 2. Actually this is minus 2 and taking common and cancelling. Cos of minus theta is plus cos theta only. So this is only what we have to do. 4 cos s minus a by 2, cos s minus b by 2, sin c by 2. So is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. So what we did is sin c plus sin b formula only. Only in place of a plus b, we are writing 180 minus c or 90 minus c or 370 minus c like with the given condition. Here the condition is 2s. So in place of a plus b, I am writing 2s minus c like b plus c 2s minus a by simplifying using transformation from there we got the required result. This is how we will solve even if it is a constant instead of the angle. Next sum. In the same method, same second bit then we make cos of s minus a plus cos of s minus b plus cos c equal to, you need to prove that minus 1 plus 4 cos s minus c by 2 cos s minus b by 2 into cos c by 2 into cos c by 2. Previously we did with sin, now it is with cos. That's it. So you use cos c plus cos d. You will use cos c plus cos d formula. So same LHS we will take, but instead of sin c plus sin d, we need to use cos c plus cos d formula. What is the formula for cos c plus cos d? 2 cos c plus d by 2, 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2, c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. This whole is c, this whole is d. So 2 cos c minus d by 2, s minus a minus s plus b by 2, c minus d by 2 plus cos c as this, plus cos c as this. cos c as this. So this is equal to 2 cos s plus s, 2s minus of a plus b. 2s minus is giving a plus b plus c equal to 2s now. So automatically this is 2s minus of a plus b is nothing but I can write simply c. So cos c by 2 into cos of s gets cancelled, and if I get minus common I can write as a minus b by 2 cos of minus theta plus cos theta. Cos of minus theta plus cos theta I can write. Now plus this is cos c. Cos c I can write as in terms of cos. Cos 2 theta formula in terms of cos is cos 2 theta equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. That is 2 cos square theta here is c by 2 minus 1. 2 cos square c by 2 minus 1. Theta here 2 theta is c here. So theta automatically c by 2. 2 cos square c by 2 minus 1. So minus 1 I write in the beginning. Now I can take 2 cos c by 2 common from these two. So 2 cos c by 2 if I take common. 2 cos c by 2 if I take common, what happens? So left out here is cos of a minus b by 2, cos of a minus b by 2 plus 2 is taken common, 1 cos c by 2 is taken common, 1 more cos c by 2 is left. 1 more cos c by 2 is left. Now this is again cos c plus cos d. Cos c plus cos d becomes minus 1 plus 2 cos c by 2 into 2 cos c by 2 into cos c plus cos d. 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. 2 cos c plus d by 2 means a minus b plus c by 2 becomes by 4 into cos c minus d by 2 means a minus b minus c by 2 by 4. So this is equal to minus 1 plus 2 cos c by 2 into this is 2 into cos of this is instead of a plus c I can write 2s minus b. So 2s minus b minus 2b by 4. 2s minus b minus 2b by 4 into cos of this is if I take minus common from these two, instead of b plus c I can write 2s minus a by 2 by 4 as it is. Now one more step. This is if I take 2 common and cancel I will get s minus b by 2. Here also if I take minus 2 common and cancel I will get s minus a by 2. So the last step is the result is equal to, so this is equal to minus 1 plus 2 cos c by 2 as it is. 2 cos c by 2 as it is. And this is 2 into 2 I will get 4 at a time. Cos of if I take 2 common and cancel it becomes s minus b by 2 into here also minus 2 common and cancel it becomes cos of s minus a by 2. That is only RHS is observed. So LHS equal to RHS hence proved. LHS equal to RHS hence proved. This is how we will solve.